Good morning, welcome back to Strand Venture. Whoa, Strand Venture.
Honey, we're not Strand Venture anymore.
Wow. All right, welcome back to Strand Farm, where we grow independent together. You guessed it, it's another tree felling day. Here is our upper island garden beds. As you can see, they're inundated with shade, especially on this side. Sun comes up over there, and right now it's up there. And this tree is a mostly dead oak that needs to come down. It's going to be a support beam for our woodshed / garden lookout. And so I'm going to cut it about right here. This is another one that we cut earlier. There's the one we cut last time. I still need to cut that one and that big guy right there. Year one has been a year of tree felling and garden bed prep. So, I mean, that's just what it is. We need to create sunny areas. And the best way to do it is to get rid of some of these massive leaf structures. This tree needs to come down in this path that I'm about to walk. Right through here and down through here towards that brush pile. Trying to get it to land real close to the brush pile so I don't have to move the brush very far. So this is the path. And then today, if we have enough time and we feel up for it, we're gonna cut this big bad boy down. So that's also getting in the way. We're gonna fell that one right into that brush pile as well. The chickens have their setup right here. It's pretty close, but it's out of range of that tree. Their compost pile is 100 degrees this morning. I let them tear it down. And then I added water, rebuilt it back up with fresh poop. We've got a broody hen in there, fat girl. We're gonna have to move our brooding cage into down here. And we've got a neat idea for maximizing this situation for a broody hen. And then we've got our new girls that are going to be set up in this area with their own electric fence. So there's a lot of work to be done. We thought maybe you guys would like to spend part of your day here on Strand Farm. So enjoy.
Moose got a bath yesterday. She's blowing her coat. We like to give her a bath in the spring when she starts blowing her coat. It just helps loosen up all that undercoat. Isn't that right, Moomar?
Good girl.
You're such a good girl. Are you gonna go hide under the truck while we cut the tree? It's nice and shady. Yeah. Woo!
We're gonna add a lot of this fur to our compost heaps.
And our nesting boxes.
Yep.
And our egg collection basket.
You are such an asset to this farm, Moose. Yes, you are. Thank you.
The tree. Oh, yay! Good girl! Just kidding, Moose. You don't have to wear them.
Oy. can do. What?
Let's go for it. Hey, Moose. Hi, Mama. No, I changed my mind. I don't want to cut down this tree. We'll just put this back. Ah!
Alright, well,
That's nothing.
screw that. Let's do this one another time.
Alright. You put the GoPro up there?
I don't know.
It's kind of pretty with all the green now. The last time we did it, it was just brown, like brown.
Okay.
Nailed it, right on the head.
There we go. Right in the line.
Perfect.
Any trees damaged?
No.
This
Nothing.
guy.
Well, yeah, but that's okay.
Sorry. You probably bounce back actually if you wanted to. This is a chestnut oak.
Yep.
Chestnut oak. It's a leaf structure. I wouldn't have known it was a chestnut oak without these leaves. I had no idea. That's what it was this winter.
We knew it was an oak, we just weren't exactly sure what kind of oak.
Yep.
Because it didn't have the red streaks like a red oak, but it wasn't shaggy like a white, like this is a white oak.
And the garden gained more sun. Look at that.
Dang, that worked already. Hot down here.
All right. Now, if we could get this guy right here. I expand my structure. I can do it now. I can't undo cutting this tree down. So if I cut the tree down up here, I can expand this big wood shed, patio, adventured spot. Man, there's so many ideas for that.
Also, cutting this tree up high, look at the diameter of this base. Like if you were to cut it normal,
Yeah,
it's like a third smaller up here.
that's a good point.
This is also a
Sorry.
chestnut oak.
It's 22-inch bar chainsaw. Down here is extremely thick. It's more manageable up there. And it's not gonna fall as far downhill. Now, is it dangerous cutting trees up here? It sure is.
It's Dangerous cutting trees too.
It's dangerous driving to the local supermarket too.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Precision. That's a strawberry plant. And that's the tree. Nice. Good job,
It
man.
almost hit. This would have been interesting if it would have bounced off of this tree.
Ooh, that could have been really dangerous, like a seesaw effect.
Yeah, I could have done all kinds of stuff.
Oh man.
All right, should we use momentum and get this big guy down?
Are we getting that one now? Let's do it.
Okay. And I was saying earlier, I want to fell it right into that brush pile.
Yeah, let's do that. That's got a lot of branches that I don't want to have to move.
And if we cut it down right into the lower island, all those leaves can just be accessed by the chickens. We can put the fence around it.
That's perfect.
And they can jump around and play in there, eat all the leaves.
It'll be a nice playground.
Yep, have a aerial threat protection.
Plus, you know, there's tons of aphids and stuff in there. They can eat those too.
Ooh, that's what I'm thinking. So we cut it down this line. Right down this line. Fell it right through here. And it's gonna fall. See how I pretty much have to land it on this brush pile, because coming this way I'm gonna hurt this white oak. Hon, I can't make it fall this way because it's gonna hit the white oak.
I know, I thought we were going down the driveway.
It literally needs to go right in the ditch of the driveway.
That's fine. There's a lot of berries there, but we have other berries.
This is the shot.
We're gonna kill those berries there, but we'll have other berries.
I'm gonna save the berries. I'm gonna save that berry, and that berry, and that berry, and that berry. Because everybody needs driveway berries. No.
Why is it so annoying to start lately?
It's too hot in this thing.
Why don't you get it started and then I'll hold it while it's running and then you can get your helmet back on.
Okay. There's probably somewhere.
Where's the GoPro?
It's in here somewhere. There it is. Hey. You were right in the fall zone. Wow.
I hate that we're having to cut down these oaks, but I mean, look at the garden.
Yeah, we just gained so much direct sunlight.
We tried to wait as long as we could, you know, once the trees leafed out. We knew which ones we needed to get down, but then we had some over here that were like, well, maybe. But look, the sun already is direct right here, where it was in shade.
Yeah, that's a massive gain for the garden. So this whole side's been lacking in sunlight.
It's been shaded the whole time.
Now we can start building garden boxes with these 2 fallen oak trees. And then the wood mulch, the leaves and everything are going into the compost pile, accelerating the chicken tractor on steroids with some extra moisture and greens.
It smells fruity over here,
And then
like apples.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 trees down, but I still need to get 1, 2, 3, and maybe some of those, but 3 more.
Ruth, should we have some cake? Should we have a
Then-
cake break?
Yeah. And then once I get these other trees down and we get our ripping chain, we're gonna start making some live edge boards, and I hope to construct our wood building patio. It's gonna have a name at some point. I think we should probably call it Valhalla.
Hey, you know what?
What's that?
I think the live edge boards would be good because you don't have these 2 edges that just come together. It's like a natural space because you want airflow for
Yeah.
the wood to dry and not get moldy and stuff. I think that's cool.
You like that?
Yeah, and it'll look cool too.
Yeah, it's gonna be like total like tree
Oh,
fort.
we can show
Patio.
Sugi Bonnet
Yeah,
because I
Oh.
wanted to. Huh?
that'd be so awesome. There's Shisugi on the tops of these trees that we cut, so they're sealed.
Yeah, we gotta get the bark off of them.
Yep.
That's gonna be a job. We have to use the axe. That draw knife doesn't work on that oak.
And then the next project, I haven't told Ashley this yet, but I thought of it last night. One of the trees over there, I'm gonna use a file and a chisel, and I'm gonna chisel a hole into it, and then our bike rack is gonna slide in there, and our bikes are
No
gonna be up on the
way.
tree.
Not into the shed. You're gonna do over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it over here, because then when we want to take our bikes out for an adventure,
just
it's
grab
right there. Just grab them right off the tree, transfer them to the car or the truck, and then or just get it off of
We
them.
don't have to poke a hole in the shed, so that's cool.
Yep.
I like that.
Isn't that cool?
That's a good idea, man. That is dirty. That's part of the problem.